Hi parents, this is a real quick video to tell you how to set up your parent loan. It's a lot like the student direct loan. It's really pretty easy. So I'm going to go into that, into my account and show you how to do that. So once again, I showed you earlier how to log in. Remember parents, it has to be your login. This is your loan. It's called a student loan, but this parent loan, you have to log in to do it. And again, if you go along the top, you'll see it says plus loans, grad plus loans. That's you. Okay, go navigate there. And you'll get a screen that looks like this. It's saying, are you a parent of a student or a graduate student? So you're a parent of a student. That's right, they're graduate plus loans, another whole subject. And you can click learn more if you want. I think you're forced to click learn more. Once you learn more, you can click start. And you actually can listen to this. You're actually going to apply for a parent loan. Is what you're going to do. You're applying for a parent loan. And I recommend when you do this application, I'll go ahead and see how far I can go here. Oh, did you see that screen before? Yep. Look what they're using. They're using Equifax and TransUnion. That's right. You get a credit check for parent loans. Even though they're government loans, you get a credit check. That's not true with the student loan. The student loan is without a credit check. If you're turned down for a parent loan, your students will get additional $4,000, what they call an unsubsidized student loan. That may be enough to pay for, not enough to pay for school if you need to do your loan for more. So some of you might find out you're not approved for parent loan. If you're not approved, you need to call me immediately. In some cases, you can appeal, but a lot of cases you can't. And I have every year people that call me and they find out their students can't go away to school. A lot of times you have heard students say they're going to a certain school. When you get back in the fall, you find out they're still home. And that's usually the reason they couldn't get approved for a parent loan. They may tell you another reason. It's a very messy situation for kids. It's why I think that we should allow parents to pre-apply for parent loans in the fall. And then they could update it in the spring so they can know when they're picking their school, because they would have picked a different school probably. Yeah. Sometimes I feel so bad when it could have been a CSU, a nice CSU too, where it wouldn't have been any cost at all, but now they're stuck because they can't get a parent loan approved. This is not a good thing. You'll select an award year, you just go right on into it. It's just a regular application. So if you look up the top, you can see what's going to happen. You put in your loan info, the parent info, credit check authorizations in step 4. You'll know in seconds if you're approved for the loan. You just follow the instructions on the screen. So when you're done with the application and you're approved, you have to be approved. You then want to go over and you then want to do the promissory note, because the school will not fund the plus loan without a promissory note. And again, then they may not be telling you this stuff. I don't know. My experience, though, is schools will tell parents, this is the big part of the money here. Again, you want to click, when you check the MPN, you got to be careful to click the right one. People click the wrong one. It's down here. I'm the parent of an undergraduate student. And by the way, you should be doing this application, not your students. Don't let the students do it for you. Even if you're not computer literate parents, if you're not good with the computer, call me up. I'll do it for you. I do not like your student having your login information, having information about this loan. Now, somewhere when you go through this loan, and it's usually out here in this step, which is the agreements, they ask you, do you want to get the refund check or do you want your student to get it? Always click yourself. You want you to get the refund check, parents, or get the deposit into your account. Don't let your student have control of thousands of dollars without your direction and guidance on a campus far away that first year. They've been known to take trips and go across the country, and you're struggling to make your loan payments. That's money for you to pay for their books, to pay for the other costs of them being in school. Please remember that you want to do that, okay, when you're doing this application. All right, okay, that's the most I probably can say about it without actually doing the application. I can't do that. But I hope that you will get that going right away, whether the school's told you not. I know some of you are hoping for a miracle to get donations from family or scholarships. No, just do the loan. They're going to ask you for what amount. Do it for the whole amount and get a refund. Let the school figure out what it will cost. You don't want to have them get to school and it's short. That's another disastrous situation that could potentially disastrous, where some schools don't have the sophistication to recover right away and let you in the dorm. Most schools do, but black schools, some of the black schools will not let you in the dorm unless everything is paid in full, really for the whole year. Some of them do that because they don't want to deal with it again in January. All right, I hope that's clear. Again, email me if you have any problems. My email address is below. Any parent can do that from anywhere. God bless you. Bye-bye now.